welcome back. The snowstorm is the first major weather event for Pittsburgh's new leadership.
Yep, our Ricky Sayer continues our live team coverage this morning from downtown Pittsburgh. And Ricky, you were able to speak with Mayor O'Connor.
Yeah, the mayor showed us around his command center here at the city-county building. It includes some of his top deputies that we'll give you a look at here right now here on the 6th floor of the building. They can look here at live cameras from across the city. They have a virtual emergency operations center set up here on the left, and you can also see on the right they have a website here, and that website's very important because that's where you can see at home what they can see here, which is a system that allows you to track the snowplows across of the city. This is something that the mayor told us has actually been down for a year. We know it's been a big effort to get it online. Now, the mayor did caution it's on about a 10 to 15 minute delay, so it's only reliable to an extent. So he acknowledged it's not as detailed as they'd like it to be, but that tracker is available on the city website. He told us they have 85 plow trucks until 2 on the roads right now, and we just got an update that they will have 60 operating from 2 to 10 this afternoon. He did say they have had 4 vehicles go down. Of course, we know there's been some issues with the fleet with a number of trucks down, but those 4 trucks are already at the garage getting worked on at this moment. That's where the mayor was actually heading after our interview, which is why he's not here right at this moment. He said they have another 24 hours plus of this, and they're taking it one day at a time. As for the roads themselves, the emergency routes, the mayor says they look good, but they're just trying to get ahead as the snow keeps coming.
Our crews have been going 24/7 at this point, and we're getting to as many streets as we possibly can. I think people, please be patient at home. If you have to go somewhere, stick to the primaries. We have cameras up on every major intersection, side streets, so we are monitoring the situations everywhere.
And now I will note that the city does have an emergency operations center building set up in the Strip District. The mayor told us that they set it up here to make things a little bit easier. It's a little bit easier for them, and he told us that they don't want to get in anyone's way who is dealing with an emergency. But again, they do have that virtual emergency operations center set up. Reporting live at the city-county building, Ricky Sayer, KDKA-TV News.